Hey, this is Andrew here at Vespa Portland. If you have a Vespa scooter that is earlier than model year 2020, then it shipped with a halogen headlight assembly. Now this is fine, but if you want to kind of step into the LED realm of new cars, new scooters, there's actually a full headlight assembly with 2 LED bulbs that's very bright, quite a bit brighter than this. And we're installing one today on a 2018 GTS that a customer just bought. Turns out she actually plans lighting for the city of Portland and is big on LEDs, so when she found out there was an LED replacement for this, she was very interested in getting that done. So we're going to get that done now, and we'll show you how bright it is after we're finished. So this LED is going to fit all years of Vespa GT 200, GTS 250, GTS 300, and GTS 300 Supers. It's a pretty easy plug-and-play, direct fit installation. It takes about a half hour at the most. It's going to replace the original headlight assembly. The light's going to run a lot cooler than the stock halogen headlight. It looks pretty sporty, has 4 LEDs inlaid inside of it. And it has a high light output at a very low wattage. So you have a 3-watt running light, you have a 27-watt low beam, and a 44-watt high beam. It has a clean beam pattern cut off for minimal glare to oncoming traffic. It includes all the hardware to install. Of course, we can install it for you, so if you don't have to bother with it. And it's really bright. They actually consider these for off-road use only, but no one's really going to know. All right, so JP's buttoning up the install here. Pretty simple, kind of plug-and-play situation. It's going to offer you a lot more light than the stock light that came on your pre-2020 GTS. We're going to have these in stock here, so if you'd like to get one, give us a call, 503-222-3779, or email service@vespaportland.com, and we'll get you on the schedule to get you a bunch more light coming out of your scooter. That's it for this time. I'm Andrew. This is JP. We'll see you next time.